Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix League of Legends lagging client. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up client, then press on the general, and then be on the general, and make sure to enable low spec mode, and also make sure to window size will be as small as possible, and this will help you to reduce lag on your client. But if this doesn't work, then you just need to open up Task Manager. Then you need to look for details and then scroll down until you see League of Legends exe and League Client UX exe files. So what you need to do here, you just need to right click on it, set priority to, and make to all priority to League of Legends basically tasks here high. And also you need to set affinity and deselect these two options here, right? And do with all tasks on your task manager. Priority, make it to all high, and also affinity to deselect CPU 0 and 1. Right? And after you do so, then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to open up, just right click on your desktop, then go to show more options and select NVIDIA control panel. And once you select that, once you select NVIDIA control panel, then go to manage 3D settings and press add here and select League of Legends. And then you need to tweak some options here. So on anisotropic filtering, make sure to make it 16x. Then on anti-aliasing mode, make sure to do enhance the application setting. Then anti-aliasing setting, make sure to make a 8x. Also anti-aliasing transparency, make sure to make a 8x, again, super sample. Then on CQ the GPUs, make sure to use these GPUs and select your GPU. Then on low latency mode, make sure to select ultra. Max frame rate, I made to 39 because my monitor has 240 hertz, but it's up to you. If your monitor has 144, you need to make 144. If your monitor has 60, you need to make 260, right? Then on open GL GDI compatibility, make sure to use global setting auto. On OpenGL rendering GPU, make sure to use your GPU. Then on power management mode, make sure to use normal or compatible, I believe. And then texture filtering, make sure it's on. Texture filtering negative lot bias, make sure to use a clamp. Texture filtering performance, texture filtering trilinear optimization, threaded optimization, and trifle buffering, make sure to use, basically turn that on. And pretty much it, right? So after that, apply the changes and your basically client of League of Legends should work smoothly and went without lag. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.